Very good morning, children. Hope you all fine and had a safe Diwali. Shall we start the today's session? Today, the date is 17/11/2020 and day is Tuesday. Okay. Today we are discussing a subject science. In the science, we are discussing a body parts of birds in that claws and feet. We are discussing today's topic is about feet and claws of the birds. Shall we start, children? Okay. Birds have 2 feet with the claws. They use their feet to walk, hop, or swim, and to hold their food. Different birds have different types of feet and claws. Okay, different different birds having a different types of feet and claws. This will be well helpful in walk and swim, and also the claws are helpful to hold their food. Okay, we'll see the other birds are different types of birds. Perching birds, pigeon, sparrow, crow. Okay, have 3 toes in the front and 1 toe at the back. Okay, these perching birds have 3 toes in the front and 1 toe at the back. Can observe the circled one, children. Next, flesh eating birds such as eagles, vulture, and owls have very sharp, curved claws called talons. Okay, these flesh eating birds are having a sharp and curved claws. You can observe in the picture, children, the how the nails are sharp and curved. You can observe in the given picture. These are called flesh eating birds. Next, scratching birds like hens use their claws to scratch and dig the ground to find worms. Okay, this will use the claws to scratch. You can, I think you might have observed the hen how it will scratch. Okay, to find the worms. Okay. Next, climbing birds. Woodpecker, parrot use their toes to climb trees. Okay, they have 2 toes, one on the front and 2 toes at the back. Okay, they have 2 toes on the front and 2 toes at the back. Totally four, two at the front, two at the back. These are used for climb trees. Okay, climbing birds. Those are used to climb the trees. Next, wading birds. Wading birds like herons and cranes have long legs with spread out toes. Can observe, children, the circle one, how long the leg is and the toes are spread out. Okay, the wading birds having a long legs with a spread out toes. Then swimming birds such as ducks and swans have webbed feet. Okay, these swimming birds have a webbed feet. The toes all are attached together in the swimming birds. Observe here the circle one, how all the toes are attached with the help of the skin. Okay, the skin is attached to all the toes. Okay, this is called webbed feet. Okay, children. Thank you. Remaining, we will see in the next class.